Okay, this is for the people that were upset that I did it in portrait mode, so I'm doing it in landscape mode. So I kind of did some wiring this morning, last night. Got some breakers set up, bus bar, there's the shunt. These two are going to these two batteries, and then those two are going to those two batteries. As for the Chevy Volt batteries, I'm still trying to decide if I want to use this fuse block, because I know they're not going to have a lot of current on them. I don't know, I still haven't decided yet on what I'm planning on doing here. I'm trying to still get an idea of how I want to lay it out, or lay out the rest of the batteries. Yeah, I'm not sure, but this is for everyone. Not sure if you guys have seen these, but these are the 48 volt Chevy Volt battery, 48 volt Chevy Volt batteries. This pack was already taken apart because they come like this. So they come with two kits together, and some of them come with another kit where it's another, 24 volts here. But these were all separated. I'm not planning on separating that one. I'm not really too worried about them being together. This is in my pole barn. Well, it's an external garage. The batteries so far have gone through -10 ambient temperature outside, and the pole barn is right around 0. And this pole barn is also seen up to 97 degrees based upon the battery monitoring, and the batteries work flawlessly. I don't care if it's hot, cold. I have no cooling set up for these. It's not like I've got water cooling or anything like that. It's literally just, they are what they are. If I need to do cooling, I guess I probably could, but like I said, at this moment in time, I have no plans to do any cooling in here. The one plan I do have, though, sorry for the big gigantic mess, this is everything I ripped apart last night, is I'm thinking about taking these Mobius packs and making one big gigantic, it'll basically be 4 of these just like that. So that's the 48 volt setup going to BMS. But I'm thinking about doing them like this and making one big long pack and installing it on this top shelf, or this one, or do them both, or something along those lines. Because that's like 10 kW worth of battery power. And I don't mind these packs. These are pretty cool. I mean, the fact that you can, if you look at the connector on them, they're really easy to get to. You can see the charge value on the batteries. It's just, I think it'll look a little bit better, and I can get more, I'll say, better runtime out of them, because these packs are limited on how much power or what voltage they'll charge up to and how far you can discharge them. Where if I put an actual BMS on there, I think I can get them down to the 3.1 volts instead of the 3.2, and maybe get it up to the 4.0, 4.1 volts per cell. But just want to give you a kind of a shot of what is going on here compared to last video. I know some people didn't like that I was doing it this way. Sorry, so we'll flip it back. But I'm going to try to keep you guys updated as much as I do this. Have a good one.